Hey guys, it's Bodie with IPTVWire.com. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to enable developer options on the Onn Android TV Box. Now, for those unfamiliar, the Onn Android TV Box is a brand new device that was launched in April of 2023 and is sold exclusively through Walmart for under $20. I'll leave a link to that in the description below, but as you can imagine, a device for under $20 is becoming pretty popular in the cord cutting and streaming community. So guys, the reason for this video is that enabling developer options on a device like the Onn Android TV Box is a lot more confusing than, let's say, an Amazon Fire Stick. So be sure you're following this step by step. So the first step to enable developer options on my Onn Android TV Box is to scroll over to the right and hover over the settings icon. Once you do that, go ahead and click the settings icon. And on this screen, I'm going to scroll down and click System. And then once you've done that, you want to click About. And guys, this is a very important step. Once you're on the About page, you need to scroll down and find this option here, Android TV OS Build. Once you're hovered over this, be sure to click this about 7 times and you will notice messages that appear below. So I'm going to click it one more time and it says, you are now a developer. So you have to click this option a certain number of times until you see that option that says you are now a developer. So now if I hit the back button on my remote and I scroll down, I will see an option here that says developer options. This was not here before I clicked that Android TV OS build. So now I have enabled developer options. If you click this, you'll notice the toggle for enable developer options is turned on. So now guys, we can use applications like the Downloader app to install third-party applications now that we have enabled developer options on our Onn Android TV Box. And guys, this process is very similar for those using a Chromecast with Google TV device as well. But that's it, guys. That is how you enable developer options in about a minute on the Onn Android TV Box. Again, this is Bodie with IPTV Wire. I hope this quick video helped you guys out. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment below. And guys, I look forward to creating more content like this in the near future.